Hello, I'm Dane. Welcome to another episode of Dax Jutsu. In today's episode, we'll discuss how to make a Legends series to be always at the far end of the sorting order. So currently, there is no option to, say, for example, medium to be always at the very far right. So, ang option natin ngayon is we can sort the legend in descending or ascending order, which is based on alphabetical order or whatever your custom sort value is. So how do we do this in Power BI? First na gagawin natin ngayon is we will create a helper table. So yung helper table natin, it will contain a cross join of, for example lang, our legend is discount band. So it will contain a cross join of all the discount bands and all the possible rankings. So we have one, two, three, four. So four rankings. First, let's create a discount band rank table. So this discount band rank. First na gagawin natin ngayon is we will count how many distinct values we have in our discount band, which is obviously four, but we want it to be dynamic, so we will count that first. So count, sorry, it should be variable bar count equals count rows discount band. And since we're creating a table, this will return an error because count rows is a scalar value. So gagawin natin, i-enclose lang natin yan in curly brackets. Oops. And we return count. So yung value natin is 4. Next is uh, gagawa tayo ng rank. So generate series, we will start with 0, although yung ranking natin is from 1 to 4 lang. And you will find out later why we start with 0. So 0, then count, and our interval is 1. So that makes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's test that. Return ranks and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next to do now is we will cross join this. Var say cross join equals so cross join count, zoom in, count, or let's start with rank. No, not count, but rank or discount band, and then rank cross join. So meron tayong combination ito. But I forgot to tell you, our goal here is to make sure that medium is always at the very far right. Okay. So yung gagawin natin ngayon is papalitan natin ng value si medium. So kung for example, punta na medium. What we want to happen is that medium dapat 0 lang lahat yan. So, select columns. So we will select the color, which is yung color column natin doon sa ating discount band. And you'll find out later why we need to select color as well, or why we need to include it. color, and then rank. So oops, if discount band is equal to medium, then 0. Otherwise, discount band should be value, which is this column, value plus 1. Because we want to make sure that only medium has the value of 0. Oh, yeah. So, and I forgot to select uh, band as well. So, band, which is, oops, wrong. So, select natin si band, oops, which is discount band. Okay. So, let's test medium. Medium, always 0. How about the others? High, low, none. They're all, okay. So nakita merong 5. It's okay. Even if our rank is only until 4. Anyway, we won't be able to return a value for 5 later. And next is we create another band column. So add columns. Let's make this band 2, and band 2 is equal to Unicar 8203, which is a no space width repeated by our rank column. Rank column and combined with our original band column. Hindi lang halata dito, but actually, meron tong extra characters somewhere here, except for medium, of course. And if we want to exclude itong 5, then rank is less than 5. So, only have 5. And then, itong si medium, medyo repeating siya. Medium. We can distinct this. So, wala tayong repeating rows. Distinct. So, we only have one row for medium. And the rest, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hmm. Forgot na tanggalin yung curly brackets niya. Ayan. Next is, ang gagawin natin ngayon is we will rank itong segment or segment out. Discount band. Gagawa tayo ng discount band rank, which is, I think, nagawa ko na. Tama ba? Nagawa ko na. Discount band rank. Ayan. So, this is ranking the discount bands by in ascending. Lagay natin rank by sales amount. So, sales amount. So, opposite yung ranking nito. Yung may pinakamataas na value, siya yung may highest na rank. That is why we use ascending. So, kung descending ito, baliktad naman. But, for our vlog today, ascending ang gagamitin natin. So, next na gagawin natin ngayon is to kind of bind discount band rank and then sales. Kasi, Pag gumawa lang tayo ng discount, for example lang, discount band rank, and we have our band 2. And then, for example, dito is this is by segment. Magkaka-error tayo because they don't have a relationship sa ating fact table. So, yung gagawin natin ngayon is we wanna get the value of our sales corresponding to their rank. At I think meron na akong measure nito or wala pa. So, ano yung gagawin natin ngayon? Okay, so gagawa tayo ng anong measure to? Sales by discount band rank. So, gagawa tayo ng virtual table and discount band and then discount sorry, gamit ang summarize column. Then discount band. And then we will return the sales amount. Sales which is equivalent to the sales amount. And then the rank. Oops, hindi makita. Now dito sa rank na to, papalitan natin yung actual na rank. Instead of our discount band rank lang na measure is gagawin natin siyang conditional. So, if selected value ng ating discount band equals medium, i-assign natin siya sa 0. Otherwise, discount band rank. And this will return an error. Kasi this is a table expression and a measure expects scalar values. So, next na gagawin natin ngayon is before tayo mag-scalar value is filter muna natin siya. So, itong si rank natin, i-filter natin siya by discount. Okay, baliktad. So, itong unahin natin sa discount band. And we wanna make sure na yung discount band natin naandun sa discount band. Ayan. Okay. So, we know na nandun naman siya galing kasi this table references discount band. And then, we want to assign values to rows na tumutugma sa rango nila. So, at rank in values discount band rank. Ayan. Kasi maraming values nun, di ba? And we want to assign whatever is katugma lang nitong rango. So, for example, if uh, high is rank 3 or sabihin natin rank 4. Pero dun sa table natin, meron tayong multiple rankings. Dito kay high. So, si high, marami siyang ranking. And currently, dun sa visual natin, pang number 4 siya. So, we want to assign a value to the row that has rank 4 and band niya is high. Tapos, itong ibang nandito, they should remain invisible. Okay, so error pa din kasi nga this is still a table expression and it again measures expect scalar value. So, i-aggregate natin siya and we will aggregate by sales. And then lalagay natin siya dito. Ah, duplicate ko na lang 'to and remove those. Mhm. Nasaan na ba yung discount, sales by discount plan? And gawin natin siyang ganyan. And gawin natin siyang ganito. So, baliktad itong ating legend. So, y-axis should be segment and band is our legend. So, band 2. Now, notice something. Sorry. Band lang, not band 2. Now, notice something. Itong si band 2, remember, nag-concatenate tayo nito with no space with character. So, marami siyang value. Unlike itong sa band, apat lang yung value niya. So, ang nangyari ngayon is marami tayong legend of same text siya, pero marami siya dito. For example, itong si high, dalawa. High, high, low, low, none, none. And medium, nag-iisa lang siya. So, that is why we need to have our color column. Color, yeah, color column. And we have our color. Meron ba akong measure for the color? Wala yan. So, gawa na lang ako na new measure. Discount band color fill equal this selected value discount band color. Yan. And honestly, kung wala itong conditional formatting on legends, hindi ko gagawin yung tutorial na to kasi very manual yung pag-a-assign ng color. So, field value, color fill, ayan. Tama ba ako? Dali lang. Discount band, oops, rank. So, dapat rank, mali itong measure. Discount band color. Weird. Discount band rank color fill. And conditional formatting, background color, field value, color fill. Oops. And this one did not update, so why? Oops. I, I'm not sure why, but let's try again. Field value, color, fill. Yan. So, okay na. So, next problem natin ngayon is itong legend. But before that, notice something. Hindi na siya katulad nitong kanina na legend. Yung medium is either before none or after none. In this case, so itong si medium laging nandito sa far right or depende sa pag-sort mo, ascending. for descending. Ayan. So, nasa dulo na siya ngayon. So, yung problema na natin legend, yung gagawin natin, kokopyahin lang natin 'to and then clear the legend from here. And dito, tatanggalin natin yung title and we will make this visual general properties less responsive. Yan. O, ayan. So, kumbaga ikaw na bahalang mag-magic. So, siyempre papalitan ko siya ng ibang column. Discount band. Oh, sorry. Dapat dito siya. Band. Hindi ko na kailangan 'tong segment. And then, ganun pa din. So, check natin bakit hindi nag-iba ang kaniyang legend. So, meron pareho pala yung y-axis tsaka legend natin. Tanggalin natin 'to and here we go. Itong si medium, pagkakaiba nga lang is ano siya, naka-alphabetical order. Which, gawan na lang natin siya ng rank column dito. So, sort column. So, add columns. Medyo magulo na, ano? Add columns, band sort. So, if band equals medium, then 1. Otherwise, let's leave that blank. Kasi sa medium, 1 siya. Sort that by band sort. And hopefully, this will fix. Okay, so ayan. Okay na siya. Okay, so medyo magulo lang tong table na 'to, but I will give you a copy na malinis itong tingnan. So, that's it from me. I hope you learned something. Have a good one. Bye-bye.